Morning is 14th of May and I just got up. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I have to go to work tomorrow. There's a important meeting that I need to attend. And there are some real friends this afternoon come to see me. So I need to keep some distance with them. It's almost like the social distancing. It can apply to my situation. And as you can see, the meter, it says 2.1413 now. So I think it started to drop the number, as it was like 2.5 last night. And for my feeling from last night, I don't feel dry mouth anymore, and I only got a little bit of sore throat. So I think it's all getting back or getting better now, according to the number here. Now I'm going downstairs to have my breakfast, so I'll see you later. The meeting place is not far from my hotel, so I just ride a share bag to go there. Good evening. It's 15th of May now. That I put 2 days in one episode or in one vlog because I was really busy yesterday, and I had this a very short clip yesterday morning. Then I had to go to a meeting. And you can see that I took a shared bike to go there. It's not far away from my hotel. And for my numbers, it started to go down. And it's 2.5 millisievert yesterday morning, and now is I think it's around 2.0. 1.8. It's around 1.8 now, and it will keep going down. So, and I will keep tracking my number. As I said from the last episode or the last vlog, that the average half-life is 8 days for iodine 131, radioactive iodine. So, and plus my self-metabolism, it won't take that long, and this is my 4th day, so it started to go down. Okay, since there's not much to talk about my hyperthyroidism and my numbers started to go down, so I want to talk about this box today. And this is a wooden box made of solid wood, and it is actually a puzzle box that you can hear there's something jiggling inside. And people call this box Wuxin box. Lu Ban is one of the most famous carpenter in Chinese history, and he had a lot of great inventions like Lu Ban lock, which I will put some more information in the descriptions below. So this box has 6 faces on the top, and there is a combined character. It's actually combined these 4 characters into one. It means bringing treasures and good fortune. And on other side, there are fire, wood, metal, earth, and water. It's actually the Chinese Wuxin. Wuxin is also called 5 elements, and they usually known as the 5 elements. It's also named 5 movement, 5 phases, or 5 steps. So the 5 elements are Jin, which is metal, Mu, which is wood, Shui, which is water, 火, fire, and 土, earth. So in the theory, Chinese 5 elements in daily life were regarded as the foundation of everything in the universe and natural phenomena. They have their own characters and they can generate or destroy one another. So if you are interested in Wuxin or the 5 elements, I will also put more information down in my description. So let's open this box. Since it's a puzzle box, you need a so-called password to open this. And the password is actually the order of Wuxin, which is metal, wood, water, fire, and earth. Okay, let me show you how to open this. So face up first, and I'll turn to the first one, which is metal, then wood, then water, then fire, then earth. Now I'll open I'll flip to the top. You can open the box now. It's interesting, isn't it? Okay, that's for today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.